Welcome to another video. In this video I am going to tell you something that is very personal to me. Okay, so I'm someone who really loves to work at night. I find the night time very peaceful, very calm, and very productive for me especially. And it does has some advantages, but I would say that it has some disadvantages as well. And the biggest I would say is that since you don't get the sunlight at night time, so your like eyes are very focused to the screen and you don't really get to see anything else, and it actually has made my eyesight very worse. I have to wear glasses whenever I'm driving bike or car. And even though I like know what are the things that I can do, but because of uh, my like schedule, I'm not able to like focus on this part of my life where like I can improve my eyesight. So recently I got to know about this 2020 rule, basically, which what says is that like taking a 20-second break every 20 minutes while looking at the screen. And basically like whenever like after every 20 minutes you look away from the screen for at least 20 seconds. And it helped me tremendously. And but like the biggest problem that I was facing is that the consistency which I was not able to manage. So for that, what I did is that like I got to know about the software which I have installed. It's called is iGuard. It is available on Windows. I don't really know about it, if it is on Mac or not, but it is available in Windows. And it basically like every like 20 minutes it gives you a pop-up on your screen covering whole your screen. It doesn't like care what exactly are you using, or on like what are you doing right now. Basically give you the pop, and then it will tell you to rest your eyes. So whenever like I see this pop up, I like just look away from the screen, like left, right, or something, and like try to stare at something, any object, or of at least like 20 feet, that is 20 feet away. and and maybe like rub my eyes for that, to like just like warm it up. And I would say that this has helped me a lot. And I would like really recommend you guys. So if you're someone like me who has a very big screen time all the time, and like you stay focused to the screen, so for that purpose I would say like use it. Yeah, it will like totally help you. So yeah, this was it. Thank you for watching.